Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close look, assemble and test the Dunelm 4-tier shoe rack. So let's first take a look around the outside of its packaging. So in this shrink wrap packaging is a Dunelm 4-tier shoe rack and it requires assembly. So let's go ahead and tear open and remove the shrink wrap. And just giving you a look at the contents of the Dunelm 4-tier shoe racks packaging. So right there is the shoe rack, and this one is in grey. Okay, and giving you a look at the literature or product details for this Dunelm 4-tier shoe rack. And there are assembly instructions on the reverse side of the card. So there are 16 metal rods and 2 sides. Okay, so we're just setting the card to the side and assembling the shoe rack. So let's go ahead and assemble it. So it seems pretty straightforward with the metal rods, as you can see, with a hollow center and of course giving you a look at the side of the shoe rack as well. Now let's go ahead and assemble it. So starting from the base and moving towards the top. So just pegging the rods into the side of the shoe rack, and of course doing it for the other side as well. And there we go, we've got some rods, but don't worry. There we go, recovered that rod, and let's put the sides together. But actually, before we do that, let's put in the other rods as well. So looking at the middle section of the shoe rack, we can see that the rods do actually go in as well. And of course now this is the bit where we put the opposite side in, so just lining the rods up. So just lining the outer rods up. So some precision required with this assembly, especially if you're doing it with a camcorder and stand in the way. But nonetheless, we're getting there very slowly but surely. And let's actually try our best here. really need to start from the bottom, I suppose, and slowly moving towards the top. So just making sure that we are lining up those rods, and slowly but surely they will all fit in place. So just doing so very carefully here. And of course towards the top. And now this is the bit where we get the middle rods to fall in place and line them up. Of course, we have to do them with some level of accuracy here and balance. But we're slowly getting there. And it seems that the middle rods are mostly in place now. Just making sure that the bottom ones are positioned correctly. And I'm pushing the side deeper in now, knowing that the rods are all lined up and positioned properly. So still some pushing together required, but just giving you a look as it is. With the rods lined up nicely against the sides. So we really want to make sure the middle is positioned properly as well. So just giving you a look right there as well, so you have a better sense of the overall structure and fitment of the rods into the sides of this Dunelm 4-tier shoe rack. So just giving you a look right there, which I feel is now properly assembled. So just applying some force to the sides and compressing them to ensure that the rods are properly in place. As you can see right there, rods not popping out from the middle part. As you can see, middle part just has a little notch that keeps the rods in, so not very deep at all, but if you snap together or push together the sides enough, there's no real reason why those rods should lift anyway, since they're not to be picked up and carried not from the rods but from the upper loop. So this Dunelm 4-tier shoe rack measures 65 centimeters wide, actually 49 centimeters wide, 69 centimeters tall, and 18.5 centimeters deep. So once again, 18.5 centimeters deep, 48 centimeters, I beg your pardon, 49 centimeters wide, and 65 centimeters tall. So just giving you a look, if we look back at the product information, we can see the approximate dimensions and of course the barcode details. Okay, so just setting that card to the side again. So 64.5 centimeters tall, 49.5 centimeters wide, and 18.8 centimeters deep. So there we go. Differs slightly from the product measurements online, but very minimally. So right there, giving you a look at the overall details of this Dunelm 4-tier shoe rack in grey. So plastic and metal, the sides being plastic and the rods being metal, as you can hear it clanking away. And now let's test it out. So I have a pair of Nike SB Charge skateboarding shoes, and let's set them on the second level of the shoe rack. So giving you a look right there. And of course, this pair is in a UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 44. So giving you a look all around at the pair of skateboarding shoes and how they look and sit in this Dunelm 4-tier shoe rack. And we can set it down to the lowest tier as well, and giving you some sense of the spacing right there. So space enough for another pair. So once again, giving you a look at this Dunelm 4-tier shoe rack with a pair of Nike SB Charge skateboarding shoes on the lowest tier. And of course we can place it on the top tier as well, and let's see if the position so that the camcorder can show you how it sits. And placing it on the third tier, so giving you once again some sense of the size of the shoe rack and giving you some perspective with the pair of trainers or shoes on it. So this shoe rack is completely symmetrical in design, as you can see, front, back and sides. And once again giving you various perspectives, and let's set the shoes lower down so you get a full view of how they appear on the shoe rack. So that's the Dunelm 4-tier shoe rack. Thanks for watching and happy racking!